Must have been a little windy last night. Hey, buddy. Good morning. Morning stretches, huh? Morning stretches for my dookie. How am I supposed to get up if you're gonna sit on me? You hungry? You hungry? Well, good morning from this beautiful campground, and we are leaving this morning. We got about 4 hours more west along the Gulf of Mexico. We're gonna chill. I was gonna do a fire, but probably want to get going here soon. Yeah, I'm not gonna do a fire. I'll just hold that one for tonight. Move this over. Dookie and a squirrel. It's 60 degrees outside. Walk. Alright guys, well, we're leaving this beautiful campsite, number 41. And we are now heading to the seashores, which is about 4 hours along the whole Gulf. So this might be some nice footage. So enjoy the ride. Come along, would you? And we're off. 4.5 hour, another drive to our next destination. And this destination that we're going to is going to be all open right next to people. I've been here, I think it was here 3 years ago, no, maybe 2 years ago. First time I went out west, this is one of those spots on the way to Colorado to see my buddy when he was living in Colorado. So yeah, 3 years ago now. So, that's right, let's go down this way and show you this end. Down here, see what this is like. The red means rip current issues. Let's be on this point. So there's a nature trail without. Nice little picnic area. real quick what this area looks like at the beach, since no dogs are allowed at the beach. Say goodbye. Let's go to our next destination. Booyah! Booyah, booyah, booyaka, booyaka. Chabaranga.